Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to restore a save to a backup in Escape from Duckov. First, in the main menu, select the save. Then, make sure you hit the Restore Backup button. Select the save you wish to restore. I'll go with the save number 2. Then, select the restoration moment, basically. You'll be, as you can, I will show it with my other save. As you can see, you will have a bunch more restoration points if you actually play the game. This is for the sake of showcasing here. It will overwrite the current save and the progress will be lost. So please proceed with caution. Then, by pressing on the restore button and selecting confirm and confirm once again, you will restore a backup. As you can see, it basically restored it to a blank slate for me, but it should work correctly for you. And that's it. Thank you for watching, and please remember to like, comment and subscribe.